Hi friends, so today we are going to see a legendary bike which is also a first bike in 150cc segment. Hero Honda CBZ was a trend setter in all senses. The bike had given a taste of performance to the Indian entry in 4-stroke class. The CBZ in 4-stroke category is having the same place and respect in the eyes of Indian bike enthusiasts as Yamaha RX 100 is having in 2-stroke category. In the year 1999, a homegrown two-wheeler manufacturer Hero Honda gave the market first India-made 150cc motorcycle. The Hero Honda CBZ was leaps and bounds ahead of its competition and took the riding experience to a totally different level. CBZ was a dream bike in 90's. With that said, let's have a sneak peek why Hero Honda CBZ became an iconic motorcycle in the Indian automotive market. What made Hero Honda CBZ stand out? The primary reason for a successful motorcycle was the aesthetic appeal. CBZ came with the typical CB design scheme from the Japanese manufacturer Honda. Hero Honda CBZ also featured a twin-pod instrument cluster with a dedicated speedo and a tachometer. This was something new to everyone in this segment. A fuel gauge was also something to note which the rivals of CBZ missed. How was CBZ in terms of performance? Well, along with head-turning aesthetics, CBZ also got a powerful gem of an engine. The motor was a 156.8cc with a SOHC setup. The engine was capable of producing 12.5 bhp at 8,000 revolutions per minute and a peak torque of 12.4 Nm at 6,500 revolutions per minute. Both of the figures were class-leading back in the 90's. The engine was combined to a yet again first-in-class 5-speed gearbox. This engine was the first engine to be Euro 1 emission norms compliant and the first to be a 4-stroke gasoline engine. Is that all to the powertrain of CBZ? You may ask. No. The motorcycle came with a unique feature of TPFC transient power fuel control system with Keihan slide type carburetor that delivered a more precise air-fuel mixture to the engine than its rivals. This entire package gave CBZ agility. More so that it was capable of achieving 60 kmph in just 5 seconds and topped the charts with a top speed of 125 km/h, which was indeed fast back then. No hesitation while braking. When it comes to braking, yet again CBZ was the first motorcycle in the segment to feature a 240mm front disc brake with Nissan brake calipers and a 130mm rear drum. A combination of both gave the motorcycle a sense of confidence when braking. What ended the Hero Honda CBZ, a legend? In 2001, Bajaj launched its Pulsar to take over the young generation. Bajaj Pulsar was the motorcycle that took over the market of 150cc motorcycles by offering better price and more fuel efficiency and new technology of DTSI twin-spark engine in Pulsars. This drastically brought down the sales of CBZ, which made to discontinue the production of legendary CBZ in the year of 2005. After 2 years in 2007, Hero Honda then launched CBZ with a new model named CBZ Extreme, which didn't have the stylish design to take over the likes of Pulsar, also does not compromise the looks of old CBZ. But even though the Pulsar is better in terms of sales, there is always a huge fan base of followers for the old CBZ classic model. Still, the classic old CBZ bikes are restored and ruling the streets. That's all for today's video. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and support for more interesting videos for discussing more about CBZ in part 2. I dedicate this video for all CBZ owners and CBZ lovers. Thank you friends.